mga kababs, let's add a twist to your fried boneless bangus. Nilagyan ko lang yan ng asin at paminta and hinati sa gitna. And for the sauce, kailangan natin ng ketchup, butter, oyster sauce, garlic, and sili para naman may konting anghang. So first, let's fry the bangus. And look at that, yung taba, ang sarap. It's my favorite part. So for the sauce, butter. And then, kapag medyo nag-melt na yung butter, i-add natin yung garlic. Let's just fry the garlic a little bit. And then, add the sili. Konti lang para tamang anghang. And then, ketchup. Bahala na kayo kung gaano kadami. It's up to you. Then, add a little bit of oyster sauce. And after that, add a little water. Then, simmer for a minute or two. And after nyan, pinatay ko na yung kalan. And inad ko na yung fried boneless bangus. Ayan. So, meron ka ng boneless bangus with a butter garlic sauce. Try nyo na sa bahay para naman hindi boring yung fried bangus nyo. Yun lang. Ka-enjoy!